TypeError as sequence item 0, expected string, int found. I am attempting to insert data from a dictionary into a database. I want to iterate over the values and format them accordingly, depending on the data type. Here is a snippet of the code I am using. When I run the algo using some sample data, see below, I get the error. TypeError as sequence item 0, expected string, int found. An example of a value_list data which gives the above error is what am I doing wrong?
String.join connects elements inside list of strings, not ints. Use this generator expression instead.
Replace with or.
The answers by CVAL and Priyank Patel work great. However, be aware that some values could be Unicode strings and therefore may cause the str to throw a Unicode encoder error. In that case, replace the function str by the function Unicode. For example, assume the string Libby, Dutch for Libya, represented in Python as the Unicode string ulibby_zeb. Throws the following error. The following line, however, will not throw an error. So, replace by to be safe.
Although the given list comprehension generator expression answers are okay, I find this easier to read and understand.
If you watch the channel, click the link and subscribe.